Now we want to create our requirements and make traceability between the test cases and the requirements. So here in our project, we have requirement specification. We find test project nizam requirement specification, and we don't have any requirements. So let's create a requirement, document ID, for example, R001, the title, user requirements for the website, and we have a scope. Okay, we can go, I have some requirements here, user requirements, and I will attach them in the course if you want to write them, if you want to read them. And the type, this is a section or user requirements or system requirements. What is the difference? We have in the vModel, let's click on the vModel, images. Okay, here, not this. We have, okay, software vModel, because there is a vModel in mechanics, okay. Here we have requirements and specification, or user requirements and system requirements, or SRS, or like he says, system requirement specifications. The user requirements are the things that the user wants, okay, the things that the user told me that he needs. These are the things that I will make sure that they are done in acceptance testing. But the system requirement specification will be tested in system testing, and they are our requirements, okay? They are the technical requirements. We have the user requirements from the user, and we edit them to write the system requirements that we deliver to the developers. So these requirements, like you see, are short and very simple. So we can say that they are user requirements. Click Save. Okay, so we created the user requirements for the website. Like you see, we can edit them, okay, or anything. We can create some requirements inside this document, okay? So we can say, like we did in the test suites, we can create, okay, document ID. We can say login or homepage, or R02 homepage. Okay, and this requirement will have the only section, the homepage section. It is finished. The type of it, is it a use case? No, this is a system function. How many test cases do we need for the homepage? The homepage contains 5 functions. If we say that each function will have 4 test cases, so we can say that all these sections will need 20 test cases, for example. So now our user requirements contains the home page requirement. Okay, we go to it. This is our requirement. This is the coverage. What is the coverage? If we click, we don't understand. So in order to understand the coverage section, let's go back and click on requirement overview. In the requirement overview, we have the requirement specification, requirements, and the section homepage. In the homepage, the version, the created, the modified, frozen, and we have here the coverage. How many test cases did we write for this section? We did not write any test case. We said that we have 20 test cases for this requirement. That's why we should return to our requirement specification, and open the homepage and assign test cases to it. But where are our test cases? Let's open the project in another link, test specification, and here are our test cases. The first test case has an ID, nizam_1, copy. We take the ID, save. You find the test case is added to this requirement. We can do the same, nizam_2 or -2. Okay. nizam-3, nizam-4, nizam-5. Save. So here are our 5 test cases, okay, added to the requirement. Now we are ready to execute those test cases. If we click on test case execution, execute test cases, we can execute them.